This is what the Adore Me Slap On-Off switch looks like. You don't have to fumble anymore to look for switches. Just touch the device to turn it on or off. Use this device to make any appliance touch-controlled. With just a simple touch, you can control the operation of various appliances like night lamps and table fans. After assembling this kit, you'll learn about capacitors, diodes, bipolar transistors as a switch, role of resistors in circuits, LEDs, Ohm's law, touch sensors, how relays work as an electrically operated switch. This is the touch sensor. This is the relay. This is the LED. This is the capacitor. This is the transistor. These are the resistors. This is a diode. This is a power jack. For demonstration purposes, we have connected a small fan to the 220-volt output and a battery socket to the 220-volt input. The battery acts as a power supply source for the fan. You will be provided with a 220-volt male and female socket. The 220-volt male needs to be connected to the power socket and the appliance to be made touch controlled to the female socket. Connect the fan to the 220-volt output. Connect the 9-volt DC power supply with the circuit through the power jack. Next, connect the battery to the battery socket. Now, turn on the power supply to the power jack. When the power supply is turned on, nothing will happen at first, but as soon as you slap on the touch sensor, the red color LED will start glowing and the fan will start rotating. Check for the damage in the male and female sockets in input and output terminals respectively. Verify whether the 220-volt input is plugged into a working socket. Most of the problems lie in the faulty soldering. Check all the soldering joints. If you find a short track or the soldering joint, resolder at that point and check the other soldering joints. Check the position of all the components on the PCB. Look for missing components or components in the wrong position. Make sure that all the polarized components have been soldered in the right direction. Also, take care of the 3 terminals in each of the transistors. If you are new to soldering, we recommend you watch the soldering video and instructions provided in the CD provided with the product.